guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show two pieces of jewelry that I received from Luisa. Luisa is a jewelry company based off in New York. They sell luxury jewelry for affordable price. Now they have a sale that is going live right now for Black Friday and Cyber Monday. You can save up to 35% of all their jewelry pieces, and their jewelry pieces tend to sell out fast, and the jewelry will make an excellent gift for Christmas or just because gift or birthday present. It also make a perfect gift for you too. And this is how the first piece of jewelry came packaged, and it opens up like this and it closes like that. And this is the beautiful necklace. The name of this necklace is Lori, and it's a chain link necklace. She is super gorgeous, and I'm gonna try this necklace on so you can get a better look. Guys, I have Lori on. Lori is a 16-inch necklace that has a 2-inch extender. Lori is a pendant necklace. I'm going to zoom in so you can get a better look at this gorgeous necklace. This is her. Extremely gorgeous. This is how the second piece of jewelry came packaged. And here's the necklace. The name of the necklace is Mini Pebbles. This necklace is so beautiful. This necklace is 18 inches with 2 extenders. This necklace is super pretty. These pieces are stunning. Now is the perfect time to shop for yourself and for others. Remember to use my link in the description box so you can save up to 35%. Remember, the more you shop, the more you save. Thanks for watching.